So you join me today at a railway station I haven't been to for a very long time, Bletchley. And today I'm at Bletchley because a brand new train is about to enter service, the Class 730. And honestly, I'm absolutely excited to ride this Class 730 from Bletchley to London Euston. So let's get on the platform now and wait for the train. So I'm now currently standing on the platform at Bletchley Station waiting for the 0604 London Northwestern Railway service to London Euston. Now these Class 730s are the free car versions of Class 730/0s, and these are mainly going to be used on the Cross City line, Rushden Trent Valley to Birmingham International, Walsall to Wolverhampton, and I think Stafford to Crewe shuttle as well by Stoke-on-Trent. Yes, when the winter timetable kicks in, the Birmingham Crewe service will cut back to Stafford to Crewe. But anyway, so these units are going to be temporarily used on Bletchley to London Euston so they can get rid of the Class 319s. So the train should be arriving now, and let's board it. So the Class 730 is now on the platform, and now it's time to board the train. Well, for a start, it feels warm on this train. And that fresh paint smell as well. That fresh smell, lovely.
Apsley, Kings Langley, Watford Junction, Bushey, Harbour and London Euston.
Welcome aboard this London Northwestern Railway service for London Euston.
And now we're cruising down the West Coast Med line to London Euston. First of all, let's try the seats. So having a seat on these brand new trains, they're actually quite comfy, to be honest. I know the back's a bit hard, but to be honest, these trains are actually designed for suburban services than Bletchley to London Euston, to be honest. But one thing I have noticed is these seats are absolutely narrow, but that's because the aisle is bigger. So I think they can fit more passengers on this train than want to stand, even though they would actually prefer a seat, to be honest. But that's one thing I've noticed about these trains, the seats are narrow to sit in. Seriously, the things I do for YouTube, because I'm currently under the table, but the plugs of the table seats are literally just here. They've got your normal plug sockets, and they've also got USB sockets as well. But if you're sitting in an airline seat, the plug socket is actually in a different location. It's actually in front of you, but it's still down there on the floor. Again, it's a normal plug socket and USBs as well. Also, one thing to notice by the doors of the Class 730, the bins are literally next door, which are right behind me here. And to be honest, they're in a better location than the Class 350s, to be honest. Also, the Class 730s do have 1+1 seating, which is very strange, to be honest. But most of the seating across this train is 2+2 seating. So we're just now approaching Bushey, and to be honest, this area that's right behind me here is very spacious. It's got disabled access areas, so you can park your wheelchair there. It's also got a lot of fold-down seats here as well. But this area is very spacious indeed. So let's check the toilets out, to be honest.
We will be calling.
So we're now going to do a quick toilet tour of this Class 730 electric multiple unit. And to be honest, right here, you've got your sink right here with your soap, water and dryer. Just right here is your baby changing facilities. And just below the baby changing facilities is the toilet. And it's also got a couple of mirrors as well. One here, which is just above the soap, water and dryer. And there's also another mirror just right here.
We are now approaching London Euston, our final station.
So we have now made it to London Euston, and honestly, riding these Class 730 EMUs from Bletchley to London Euston has really been brilliant. There's only one thing I don't like about them, and the seats are a bit too narrow, but the aisles are a bit wider, so that makes up for the compensation why the seats are a bit narrow. But other than that, they are really good units to travel on, and I can't wait to travel on these in the West Midlands. I think the next line that's going to see them is the Walsall to Wolverhampton. But anyway, I'm going to film this train out because it's leaving shortly to train.
On this train, passengers for Waterford Junction, Hampton Hampstead, Berkhamsted and Trim, your next direct London Northwestern Railway service is now expected to be in 07:35 Queen Central.
That departure of a Class 730 EMU out of London Euston was absolutely brilliant. Did enjoy that, to be honest. But I'm going to pop a video right here. Feel free to give that a click if you have not seen that yet. People on screen now, YouTube channel members and Patreon supporters, thank you for supporting the channel. I've been SarahWithTheTrains. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you on board for the Cyber Express for a new journey down the line.